Hello! How are all of you? I bet you're wondering why I have a snake on my neck. Well, as you know, we are in South America. Leonardo da Vinci and Mona Lisa have been traveling all around, and we ended up here in South America. So, along with lots of different types of snakes, lizards, cool spiders, llamas, a lot of other different types of animals, I thought today we could do an animal freeze dance. So we're going to look for lots of different types of animals today and get some physical activity too. Now, the song that I've chosen is one that you already know. It's our animal freeze dance song. So it's not all going to be animals from South America, but I thought after our video, if you'd like, you could look up some animals that are in South America and you could do your own freeze dance. Maybe even your parents will join in with you. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you enjoy our animal freeze dance. Please do it with us.
Let's play the Animals Freeze game! First, let's stomp like elephants. But remember to stop when I say freeze!
Stomp, stomp, elephant stomp, stomp around the room. Elephant stomp around the room.
But stop when I say get ready to waddle like penguins!
Waddle, waddle, penguins waddle, waddle around the room. Penguins waddle around the room.
But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to hop like kangaroos!
Hop, hop, kangaroos hop, hop around the room. Kangaroos hop around the room.
But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to swim like polar bears!
Swim, swim, polar bears swim, swim around the room. Polar bears swim around the room.
But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to swing like monkeys!
Swing, swing, monkeys swing, swing around the room. Monkeys swing around the room.
But stop when I say
Woo! That was a great workout. I hope you had just as much fun as we did, and I'm so glad that Giovanni assisted me today in our animal freeze dance. Anyhow, I hope that you guys look up some animals that are found in South America, and maybe you create your own animal freeze dance song. You could even draw some pictures of some of the animals found in South America. Anyway, make sure you drink lots of water since we had some physical activity today. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And I'll see you next time. Bye!